Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the cheeky bum, and I'm coming on to do a little project share. I had somebody reach out to me and ask if I would be interested in doing a one-on-one Valentine swap with them, and I said absolutely. So this is for Valerie. She has Instagram. I'll link her down below. She is a newer crafty friend to me. She joined my Harry Potter swap, and yeah, she does amazing little miniatures. So definitely check out her Instagram page because she does some really cool work. So it was pretty open parameters. I think we agreed on like an embellishment box and some shakers, but obviously we got more stuff here. So we're going to start with the embellishment box, and I got kind of two. So I did like a typical little embellishment box, one that has little charms and other little bits. So we have like a variety of little stuff in here. We have some bows, some silk bows, bow beads, charms. I have some little flowers in here, different type of beads, different types of charms, even some clasps, and some flatbacks so that she can do a variety of little things with this. And then I also wanted to make her kind of like more of a crafty embellishment box. So I used one of these containers from Hobby Lobby. And in here I have stuff that she can use to make embellishments and also just kind of stuff that she can add to or whatever. So I have some blank little vellum rosettes. So I have a pink and red. And here I have just all kinds of little things, like this is diamond dust. We have just some tiny little heart sequence. We have some of these pink little, I don't know, they're kind of like pebble gemmy type of things. I don't know. But you can use them like in the inside of flowers or stuff, or just to add like little clusters. I have some of the gold little foam balls and also some red ones so she can put them in centers of flowers or whatever. I have different types of trim here that she can add to embellishments, add to tags, whatever. I worked on some little beaded bows. I am kind of new to this, but I thought that I would give it a go. So I have some here for her. I need to practice doing some more. I think they turned out okay, but I think they can be even cuter with more practice. I have some clothespins here so she can put them on bags, glassine, packages, bag toppers so she doesn't have to like glue down bag toppers and stuff. Up here I have flowers, a couple different colors and types of flowers, and over here I just have like a bunch of like die cuts. Some are put together, some are not. So I have like a little bit of everything in here. So I have some cupids. I use some of these cupids on her embellishment box to decorate. So I have some cupid silhouettes. I also have some lips. I thought these were cute that she could add to stuff. I have some little envelopes. These are like little love notes. These are Scrap Diva. I have some little arrows. They're kind of put together so that she can just kind of put them on something. So I have some arrows. Oh, here's another little cupid. The lips, I have some just hearts that were from projects that I did that are just kind of empty space hearts. There's the lips. I have some of these little Scrap Diva light heart light bulbs. These are really cute. I've used them in cards. And then I have some little flat bows in a couple different sizes so that she could just add those to something as well. So I really like these little heart caddies, and this is a kind of a fun idea. So I think I might have to do some more of these in different seasons just to do some Happy Meal or something. It's a cute little craft kit. Of course, I also made her a little tassel, shaker tassel. So this is my first little mini one. These are from Cracker Barrel, and somebody sent me the Be Mine, and I only have one, so it's perfect to do like a one-on-one swap. I used some of my thinner, fine little trims for this, and I really like how this turned out. I really wish that I could have found more of these. I was unable to find more of the Be Mine. I do have some other colored ones. I think it says whatever or something. I do have another crafty friend that said that she found me some and she'll send them to me. So hopefully I'll get some more of those because they're really cute. I'm also including a candle because I love candles and I thought that this one was so cute. It's got a little conversation heart. It's kind of vintagey, shabby chic, and it says sweet nothing. It's mixed berries, cotton candy, and coconut, and oh, it smells so divine. I love candles and I love gifting candles. I also have some stuff that I made earlier this month with Scrap Diva. I have this little kissing booth shaker mix holder, and it's got more of the clay bits, where in the kit I have other smaller things. So we have shaker bits in there. I have this shaker card. It's an easel card, so she can just kind of pop it up. So I have those that I made for her. In this little envelope, I have some small little shakers. So I have some cute little banner sentiments and some shakers. Just some XO and like this little purse. So we have some shakers in there. I kind of kept packaging kind of simple. I'm not one, I don't really love packaging. So I like this little box idea that I can put, you know, multiple things in. I have a little clipboard with a little mini dangle. I have this a cute little heart shaker pen. I think, where did I find that? TJ Maxx. And then I have a self-care pack for her. So I made her one of the little hand sanitizers with a little dangle on it. And it's pink and cute. Hot cold eye patches, because I love those. We have some lip balm. We have some socks. And we have like a little mask. So I found this bag. I'm going to put this in here. I need to take this off. I'll probably put something else on it. But it was already on there when I pulled it out of my stash. So I must have got this in another swap. So we're going to do this little bag up. Oh no, I can't fit everything back in there. I'll try. And then I have a whole bunch of like stickers and stuff for her. Just stickers that I've collected that I thought that she might like, that are all Valentine inspired. And I have a couple bingo cards for her. In case I think that she does junk journaling and stuff like that too. So hopefully she can utilize that. I feel like I have a couple other things for her, but I've been a little like scatterbrained. It's been hot, cold here, and it's very windy, and it's really messing with my allergies. It's had me down for a couple days, but I'm getting back into it. So I wanted to do a quick project share so I can get this out in the mail to her. And yes, I can't wait to see what she sends me, and I will share it. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.